Dr. Devin Cooper over at Amarillo Pediatric Dentistry and Orthodontics knew as a child he wanted to be a dentist when he grew up. And he achieved that dream, even becoming a partner over at APDO, where he keeps area youth smiling and profiling. That's in this morning's 806.
Dentists are like the coolest healthcare providers around. That's why you shouldn't be scared. The biggest thing is that baby teeth are important. It's important to maintain those so that we can maintain healthy adult teeth. They're really crucial for eating, chewing, speaking, just those kind of things. A lot of kids miss school because of tooth pain. So it's something that if you can take care of it, they can relieve you from that. Originally from Bridgeport, Connecticut. When I was younger, I wanted to be a pediatric dentist because I met a pediatric dentist. We have some pretty humble beginnings. Didn't really have a lot of money growing up. Went to the dentist, they just took what we had, didn't treat us any differently than any other kids, and I was like, I want to be like this guy. Didn't know anything about dentistry really, and then as I got older, I started to learn more about it, and it's just the path that God put me on, so I'm glad to be here. Pediatric dentistry and orthodontics for children and adults. Braces, we do tongue ties, so sometimes little babies have a hard time latching, or sometimes little kids have their tongues have a hard time speaking, and we just go in and laser it off. The dentist is a big fear of people, but most of the time it's because people think it's gonna hurt, or they've had experiences in the past. Sometimes if we can maintain that, then we can kind of relieve some of that anxiety that a lot of people feel from dentistry. And probably miscommunication. I'm thinking about dentistry in a whole. Being able to communicate with the patient really well, the parent in my case, about what's actually happening so there's no surprises. So we love to see kids by age 1, and that's usually just to kind of form a dental home. Sometimes they may not even have teeth, but we like to see them by their first tooth to establish that relationship, because our goal is to make sure a kid never gets a cavity. So Miko is actually one of our little therapy dogs here. The kids love him. I mean, he comes to work with me majority of the week. You know, they love him. He does well with the patients, especially some of our special needs patients. But he did some training and everything like that, so he just loves being here, loves the people.
Dr. Cooper says forming a good relationship with pediatric patients and their families are key in setting a good foundation in dental health throughout their lives. For more on area businesses, head to myhighplains.com.